Let's learn Jose Cuervo 97. It's choreographed by Max Perry. It is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Jose Cuervo 97. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. We're going to do cross-side sailor steps to the right and the left. So we're going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a left sailor step, crossing your left behind your right, step your right foot out to the side, step the left foot out to the side. We're now going to cross our right over our left, step your left foot to the left side, and we're going to do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left foot out to the side, right foot out to the side. And when you step this foot out to the side, to start that cross over again, you want to make sure your hips are slightly angled to the foot that you're stepping with. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right, you're doing your cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to weave a quarter turn. So we're going to cross our left over our right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our left. You're going to do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock, and we're going to do a full turning triple step. So we're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left. You're going to start your half turn by stepping your right next to your left, and then you're going to finish your half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Now, if you don't want to turn, all you're going to do is do a left shuffle forward, stepping left, right, left. And that's how you can leave out that full turn if you don't want to do it. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right, you're doing your weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 walks forward. So we're going to step forward, right, left. We're now going to do 2 kickball changes, kicking our right foot forward. Step your right next to your left, step your left next to your right. Repeat that, kicking your right foot forward, step your right next to your left, step your left next to your right, and then we're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a half turning Monterey. We're going to point our right toe to the right side, slightly angling our body to the left. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder, turning on our left foot and bringing our right foot in and next to your left, taking weight onto that right foot to face 3 o'clock. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and step your left next to your right. We're now going to shuffle to the right, stepping right, side, left together, right side. You're going to stomp your left foot next to your right and then kick your left foot forward but slightly across your right, and that is your end of your dance. So let's try that with some counts, doing your Monterey. Weights on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're doing your cross-side sailor. Cross-side sailor step, cross-side sailor step, cross-side behind, quarter step, half pivot, full turning, triple, walk, walk, kickball change, walk, walk, half Monterey, right side shuffle, stomp and kick, and that is the whole dance. So now let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right. You're doing your cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight's going to start on your right foot. We're doing our cross-side sailor. Cross-side sailor step, cross-side sailor step, cross-side behind, quarter step, half pivot, full turning, triple, walk, walk, kickball change, walk, walk, Monterey, half turn, shuffle, stomp, and kick. Now cross side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Cross side sailor step, cross side sailor step, cross side behind quarter step, half pivot, full turning triple. Walk, walk, kickball change, walk, walk, half Monterey, right side shuffle, stomp and kick, cross side sailor. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. There's no ending listed on the dance. For me, we end facing the side wall. So I just turn a half turn to face the front. And that is how I end, but there is no ending listed. So you can just dance to the end of the song and have fun. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like, so that you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Jose Cuervo 97. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.